Hi, Bloop Town friends!
Let's use all 5 senses today. Sight. I see colorful flowers blooming everywhere.
Hearing. I hear birds singing sweetly in the trees. Smell. I smell fresh bread. It smells so cozy and delicious.
Taste. Berry. Yummy!
And touch. I feel soft grass, a smooth pebble, and rough tree bark. Let's play a game. I'll describe something, and you tell me which sense to use. A loud drum. Which sense is that?
Hearing. Hearing. I've got this. A sour lemon. That's taste. I'm getting really good at this. 5 senses. One amazing walk through the park.
Thanks for using your senses with us today. Which sense is your favorite to use?
Subscribe to Bloop Town for a new learning adventure every week. See you next time, friends!